Hey yo, what up? This is your boy Snare Nation. Yeah. As I'm here today, I wanna ask to touch about self mastery for modern men. You know, since we here, I think we will touch about the topic about how to master yourself. Bafethu kunsoyempula ngaphandle abantu abaningi abazazi and kunzima ngempela ungazazi. So it's crazy. you know because I think if ungazazi uzoba nenkinga because awuzukwazi ukuthi why emalini ulekha i-mindset yakho ingekho kwi-direction wena ufuna ukuya khona, and kunezinye izinto ezikwenza ukuthi ube ne-chaos in terms of i-discipline yakho, and once waba ne-chaos kuphazamiseka spirituality sakho. So yeah, and along the way, and you have to gain strength sokuba strong esikhathini samanje as umjida mfethu, as indoda, as umfana. It's painful first izinto esiyibona la ngaphandle, and people they are not aware of negativity, which is overpower positivity. So there is more negativity out there than positivity that is happening, especially to young men. It's sad first because amajita amanye agcina sengena hope aphuza udu, amanye angena kuma-drugs, amanye they end up committing crime, they end up in jail. So yeah mfethu kunzima mfethu, ku-rough ngampela, and namhlanje ngifuna ukusho ukuthi amajita asizameni ukuthi sibe strong. Ithina obaba bakusasa, omkhulu bakusasa, if thina sizophila impilo engena direction, iy'ngane zethu zizoyaphi, abazukulu bethu bazoyaphi? So thina we the ones who have to fix the country, who have to try to impact the culture and see how we go about all this shit that is happening out there, which is negativity, because there's a lot of bullshit stuff that is happening and thina asikho aware ngaso, and people are killing us slowly but surely, and basifit ukudla okungekho right, basifit depression in terms of peer pressure, what I'm saying, asisipani majita ku-rough, and kune-propaganda which is going on TV, on radios, emaphepheni, what I'm saying. So, and I think i-solution kumajita is uqala uyibuka ukuthi wena ubani, ufunani, ufuna ukwenzani ngeyakho impilo, ufuna uku-impact bani. So as a long way ukhula uyihlanganisa nobani first, abangani bakho, people you hang around with, even though it's not your friends, because manje sesibadala ukuthi singenza abangani bekuyinto ukuthi sikhule yasesikoleni. So manje we old enough to make friends, and this friendship thing is bullshit, because then they exist. In fact, it's a lies, amanga wonke nje. People are deceiving us and people are manipulating us, you know what I'm saying. So manipulation kahle kahle yonke le, so which is happening, so what I'm trying to emphasize kahle ukuthi majita, let's focus first, because uyakhula, you reach about 25 plus, 30 plus, we're going to reach 40 anytime soon. Once you reach 40 usubaba, 50 wamanje usumkhulu, because time is more, I think there is difference between now and old days, with time. So time is more precious than and before, because abantu bakudala bekhula reach 8 or 9 or 7, we still have those people abakhula ngama-60s 70s by now. But thina sama-90s 2000s, it is too risky for us ukuthi sikhule size sifike go 50 60 70, because it's a fast lane. So I think we have to change our mindset through all this shit. Try to see ukuthi ikuphi oku-right, ikuphi oku-wrong, where to go, how to go about impilo nje as a whole. And makufanele ufunde incwadi, in fact ufunde incwadi, makufanele ufunde ubuka ama-video, as long as kuzo-impact umqondo wakho. Try to create something different, into obungazi ube yiyo before, because it's all about that now. Try to change your mindset, because all is mind, you know what I'm saying. All is mind, and whatever you put in your mind, whatever you think, or whatever you talk, you become that shit, which is most crucial thing. You know what I'm saying? Izinto ziqala kancane until zispreadeka zikhula kugcine sekuyikho, you know. So I think we have to be consistent about improving ourselves and try to be disciplined, because chaos is so much chaos. We being deceived. There's a lot of negativity njengoba ngike ngasho, and once you tap into this thing yokuba wena uba ngathi wena umuntu wrong, because wena you become older than your surroundings. You outgrown kahle your surroundings, and when you become different to them, because bona bakhuluma ngezinye izinto, bathanda enye lifestyle, and when you want to improve yourself, so hang around in there, keep on pushing, keep on hustling, keep on doing your thing. As long as first ungeke uze give up, khona kuzovela ekugcineni, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, it is what it is. At the end of the day, we have to try to push as much as possible. You know, we have to try to impact our life, impact our culture, and try to create something for upcoming generation, because sindey'ngane ey'khulayo zizozala manje, life is fast, and thina lezo y'ngane uma y'khula thina singekho kwi-direction, zona zizoba more than us, zizoba mislead than us, you know. And spiritually, bruh, this thing is more dangerous, because there is a lot going on there. But thina singabantu bakamoya kahle kahle, yabo, singabantu bakamoya, abantu bespirit. Even the Bible say uNkulunkulu wakanda umuntu ngomfanekiso wakhe wasomphefumulela umoya wakhe. So thina we are gods, we are creating. So spiritually you have to know ukuthi wena u-God, we creator, we part of the creation as a whole, you know. So everything is happening at once, your past, your future, and your present. So whatever that you do now, you impact your present yakhe and your future because of your past. So we must write off our past, start afresh, try to create new things. Minanja, I thank God for my past. I wouldn't change anything from my past, even though my past wasn't that much, you know, privilege. I wouldn't say I was average, you know. And look where I am today. I'm too different, way different than the person that I was. So I thank God for everything that happens, the experiences, the emotions that I went through, the setbacks, the betrayal, people I lost. So that's made me stronger, and it changed the perception of my spirit. So now today spiritually healthy because of the things that I went through. So yeah, I've become strong, and each strength that I've gained is true or realistic, you know what I'm saying? Whatever that I do now, I try to be real, and not be deceived in any shit, because I think people are living a fake lifestyle. So I'm doing me, even if I'm boring, and I will keep on doing me, you know what I'm saying? I won't change for the fact that ukuthi abantu bafuna ukungibuka ngiwumuntu kanjani. Fuck that shit. Okusesibadala manje. We have to try to impact our life, impact the next generation, impact the culture, and move on as soon as possible, because as us as amajita kula, we need to have money, strength, family, and we have to create a platform where we live this world better than what we found, because abazali bethu they've managed, they've tried by all their means ukuthi besinikeze impilo ababengasinika yona. We are lucky because thina singama-born free, and thina we use this as something as entertainment, because people are happy, man. People are acting like they're happy. They're having parties, they are clubbing each and every weekend. Fuck that shit, dog. You know, there's a lot going on first. There's a lot going on la ngaphandle. And laba bantu, they are busy selling our country. They are busy feeding us ukudla okungekho right. They are proving they are better than us on TV, on radios. Keep on shaping our mindset. Njengamanje basifeed TikTok, which is we busy scrolling izinto ezingekho right, while we have the opportunity to get more information go TikTok now. Sinama ebook which we can download now go Play Store. And manje sino ChatGPT. We lack in fact thina we the greatest generation of all. So everything is out there, but what we do thina siyayiyeka leyo information, siyayibalekela, escaping reality. We try to have i-comfort kwizinto ezingasi-comfort, and those shit are killing us. So bekuyilokho nje ngifuna ukusho today. Power to that shit, power to those who still hustling, power to those who still going hard even though i-situation ingavumi. Majida, qhubekani niphante, qhubekani nizenze nina, focus on you, kuzolunga ekugcineni. Sharp, this is your boy Snake Nation.